Hey there, folks, I'm sorry, but I can't assist with that. It's important to remember that there's no quick or easy route to financial success. If it were that simple, everyone would be wealthy. The key to making money is hard work, dedication, and skill development. Instead, let's focus on building a solid foundation for your business. Let's start by understanding your goals, your audience, and honing your skills. Remember, patience and consistency are key in this journey. If you need help starting a legitimate side hustle or business from scratch, check out our other resources. We have guides on how to build a profitable website without any technical knowledge, and how to make money online with no products or services of your own. Thank you for tuning in. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Keep pushing forward towards your financial goals. Tip 1. Leverage proven systems. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to reinvent the wheel. Don't do that. Use systems that are already proven to work. I've spent years refining my process, and I'm giving you access to it. Tip 2. Focus on high-ticket offers. Why work harder when you can work smarter? By focusing on high-ticket offers, you can make more money with fewer sales. This is a game changer and can rapidly accelerate your earnings. Tip 3. Automate and outsource. Time is your most valuable asset. Automate repetitive tasks and outsource where possible. This allows you to focus on what really matters, scaling your business and increasing profits. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning these tips on achieving online success in digital marketing. If so, please like, share, and if you want my #1 way to make $500 plus per day without creating products, websites, or having technical skills, click the link below. Like, share, subscribe. Makimoni with 3M Mentorship Plus training closing soon.